Good morning, everybody. I've been asked to do this video so many times and something else has just changed again on Instagram and Facebook. So I thought I'd show you how to put your products into a shop. So it doesn't matter whether your products are on Amazon or a website or Shopify or Etsy or whatever, you can actually put them into a Facebook shop and allow people to shop directly from that post. There will be a little tag on it. So you'll have to tag your product each time you post it into Facebook. But I just wanted to go through and make sure that you know how to set it up properly. It's a little bit finicky. Now, this isn't my product. This is a product that somebody else has put onto one of the pages that I run called Cool Shit from the Amazon AOE community. So I'm hoping that that is okay. If this person wants me to take it down, let me know. But I don't actually know whose it is because I delete those messages as I post them. So first thing you need to do is make sure that your shop is set up. So go into your business page on Facebook. And you need to go into settings. You need to go into templates. And you need to change this template to shopping. So that's the first thing that you need to do. Change that template to shopping. Scroll on down and make sure that the shopping thing is open. If you don't have a shopping thing, that's okay. Little tab I'm talking about. So just make sure that is set up to shopping. Then go back into your page and then click on this button here and you'll see that it says edit button. So you can edit this button and you go through the process of setting up the shop in setting up where people shop to. So when it says website, either set it to the website that you have or the landing page that you have or directly to your listing. And then you can test the button. If you're like me and you have quite a few different places that people can shop, you can set up a link tree. This link tree works on Instagram and on Facebook. So you can set up different places where people can go to different links and they can get to all of the different URLs that you've set up behind there. Okay, so let's just jump out of there. But this little video is really just to show you how to set up your shop. So first things first, go into templates, change your page to a shop, and then change this to to set it to your website. Then you need to go into your business manager. So Facebook Business Manager, or called Business Suite now. Go into your manager account. Choose your page, go into business settings, scroll on down to commerce accounts, click on your business. Now I've already been approved to open a shop. You'll have to go through that approval process. So it will give you prompts to go through that approval process. Now we go into Commerce Manager. And this is where we set up our products. So you'll see here, I've already been approved. If you haven't been approved, it will just ask you to go through that approval process. We go into Catalog, Items, go into Add Items. Now, if anyone knows of a quicker way of doing this, I'm I've got all my ears open trying to listen to you because it's a bit of a process doing this. Now, choose your hero image And I just took a screenshot of that product that I showed you. So you would put in your proper images and try to change the alt text so it doesn't say screenshot. It says something like, you know, beautiful macrame hanging pot. No, hanging something or other. you know your keywords. Unfortunately, you can only add in one image at a time. I've tried to add in multiple, but it doesn't work. You need to actually physically add every single one in. I'm pretty sure that's all you can add in. And then title needs to be 150 characters long. So we may or may not be able to use all of this listing title. Description, exactly the same. Don't change it, because we want people to see that whatever we're advertising on Facebook is actually the listing that you have. So don't change it. Don't change any of the words. Don't change. I mean, if you're ridiculously keyword optimizing this title and making it look yuck, I would suggest changing that title. But if you haven't done that, that's okay. Get your URL. Pop that in there. I've changed that URL so you can see that I've actually signed out. So just making sure that URL is in there. There are other ways that you can do that, I know, but that's the way I'm doing it at the moment. Change this to Australian dollar. How much are we selling it for? We're selling it for 30 bucks. Pop in your price, pop it in if it's on sale. You need to pop the condition in. Usually it's new. That's all set up. Go to next. Oh, why does my computer keep doing that? Yes, it's available. Now we need to select a category. So this is homewares, I'm assuming. Home. Bedding, cleaning supplies, home goods, home decor, decorative. And then we've got an option to put in all these bits and pieces, so you can do that if you want to. Next. There isn't any variance for this, so just clicking next. And for the person whose product this is, I will delete it from my page. This is just to show people how to do it. Now this next step is quite important. This is the step that I was missing a few times, and I couldn't understand why my products weren't showing on Facebook and Instagram. Come on, round and round circles. Not quite sure it's taking so long. I've been doing this all morning for other people's pages, setting their shops up properly, so I'm not sure why this is doing this. Let's just twiddle our thumbs and there we go. Okay, so it's added to the catalogue. Right, now this is one of the most important parts. Go into shops. Go into edit. And over here, go into add new. Do you see the green button up here on the left? Add new. Add a new product to the collection. And again, if anyone knows how to do this quicker, please tell me. Click on that and then add it to the collection, because it's not going to go into your collection unless you do that, and then publish the updates. Okay, so updates are published and now visible. I will go back and delete this to this person whose product this is. Don't worry about it. So I hope that was helpful. If you've got any questions, just let me know. See you.